A serious business runs on a professional business email address, not an at gmail.com or an at yahoo.com address. Every business needs to invest a few dollars each month to look professional and credible by getting a business email address. However, for a lot of non-technical small business owners, this process can look overwhelming. But let me tell you, it's really not. There is a very simple method for creating a professional business email address like name@yourcompany.com in less than 10 minutes. With NeoMail, you don't even need to own a domain name as they provide one for free. You can simply scan the QR code on the screen and follow the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be the proud owner of a professional business email address. Okay, so let me quickly walk you through what we're going to cover today. First, we'll claim your professional business email address and get a free domain name using NeoMail. Following this, we'll play around with a few important features like Gmail migration, adding your email signature, and sending a test email. Then I'll share how we can create a free website using Neo. Okay, with that covered, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, as I mentioned, we're going to be using NeoMail as our business email provider. The great thing about NeoMail is that you can run several aspects of your business from one platform. From building your website to getting a business email and a free domain, scheduling a meeting, running email campaigns, generating invoices, and many more. Everything can be managed inside Neo. Okay, so to get to NeoMail, simply head over to your browser and type in www.neo.space, or feel free to click on the first link in the description below. That's going to take you there. Then navigate to the Start with Email button here. If you already own a domain name and want to set up a business email, you can directly click on this button here and follow the steps. It's really straightforward. For the rest of us, we're going to go search for a new domain name. Now, for the sake of this example, let's say I run a company called SpaceX. I will quickly search for it here. It's available. Now I will hit use this domain, which will take me to this page. I'll quickly enter my details here, my name, Elon, my current personal email address, and a strong password. Once that's done, I'll click on create a customer account. Now I'm on this screen. Here, I'll create the primary mailbox for the email address that I'm creating. This will be the admin account, which will have control over the creation of new accounts and email groups. Once you create the account, you can assign admin access to more accounts from the admin panel. Now, when we click on Create Mailbox, we'll see this screen. Here, I can create mailboxes for my team. I have a few colleagues I want to create mailboxes for, so we'll name them Jeff, Sundar, and Jensen. These are fully random, made-up names, but I'll click on this button to move to the next screen. Here, I'll add general mailboxes that my business needs. It's really important to have multiple email addresses like these, as it will make the business look more professional and serious. Let me quickly add support at and info at. Now I'll continue to the next step. With Neo, not only do I get a business email on my free domain, but I also get a free AI website builder to host my business online. I can set up my website later. Now I'm going to click on continue, and this brings me to the pricing page. Now, as you can see, we have pricing that starts from as little as $2 per month on the yearly plan and goes up to $8 per month. Let's quickly see the offerings we get with each plan. The starter plan is pretty basic, but it has all the features that a business email requires. It has 15 gigabytes of storage, Android and iOS apps, read receipts, Gmail migration, and two-factor authentication. Quite comprehensive. The magic lies here in the Max plan. It comes with all the features of the starter plan, 100 gigabytes of storage, and advanced tools such as Neo Drive, Signature Designer, an inbuilt meeting scheduler similar to Calendly, email campaign mode to send emails in bulk, an AI summarizer to check and summarize long email chains, an HTML email creator, and many more. This plan is ideal for a fast-growing business that needs multiple tools to operate. All right, I'm going to select the Max plan and move towards checkout. Here, I enter my payment details, and that's it. I now have a brand new email address for my business. Now, once you've made the purchase, it's time to set up your Neo mailbox. You can add your name and your picture at this step, and after clicking next, you'll get this screen. By clicking on this button right here, you can enable Gmail migration. This allows you to auto-forward all your future Gmail emails into your new Neo mailbox. This way, you can manage both the work emails you were getting on your previous Gmail and your new official business mail ID in one place. Now, we can also navigate over to Signature and add a cool new signature using these templates. This will show at the bottom of all your emails. All right, I'm going to quickly create a signature. Okay, so I've added this signature, which has my name, my picture, my social media handles, and all the necessary contact details. Okay, now let's jump over to our inbox, compose an email, and send a test email to a recipient. So I've added an email address, a subject, and a basic body. You can see here my email signature is pulled in. Now, before we send this test email, it's important to note that with my business email, you want to warm up your email address. That way you can gradually establish a good sending reputation and improve your email deliverability. So let's go ahead and send this test email. Message sent successfully. Now let's preview this email inside the recipient's inbox. And as you can see, the email arrived in the recipient's primary inbox, even though this was the first email we've ever sent from this new account. Once I've opened the email, I get this notification in my Neo webmail that says my mail has been opened. This is an extremely useful feature for business owners who send invoices and proposals by email and also do a lot of cold outreach. As mentioned earlier, Neo also comes with a free AI website builder here and publish it directly. So with Neo, I got a business email, a free domain, and a free website, which are the basic building blocks of establishing your business online. And that brings this tutorial to a close. So now you know how to create a professional business email for your small business, get a free domain, and build a website effortlessly. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll also link other helpful videos down below in the description that will help you get the most out of NeoMail and all of its different services. Again, feel free to check those out after setting up your own professional business email.